Hi guys, welcome to How to Soar YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin video on TikTok. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, then you need to click on profile at the right bottom corner. Then you need to select any video that you want to pin. So I'm going to select this one. Then you need to click on three dots and then you need to click on pin. So now this video is pinned, so I'm going to pin two videos also, so and one video again. So now you can see that I pinned three videos that are showing on the top. So by following these steps you can easily pin any number of videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.